Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by computing the first partial derivatives fx and fy because those tell you where slopes vanish in each direction. Once done, simplify algebraic common factors and note any points where a derivative is undefined. Those are candidates too. Make sure to state the domain restrictions, since boundary behavior matters later. Now set the system fx equals 0 and fy equals 0. Solving that system is the only way to locate interior critical points. You now solve the simultaneous equations fx equals 0 and fy equals 0. Choose substitution, elimination, or computational algebra depending on complexity. If factors appear, split cases systematically. If nonlinear and messy, transform variables or use a reliable numeric root finder to approximate solutions. Once you have candidate points, plug them back to confirm they satisfy both equations and lie in the domain. Keep an organized list of solutions. Each will need classification. You finish by computing second partial derivatives and forming the Hessian determinant d equals f Roman 20 fy minus fxy, 2 at each candidate. If d0 and f Roman 20 0, you have a local minimum. If d0 and f Roman 20 0, you have a local maximum. If d0, it's a saddle. Make sure to also evaluate boundary points and any singular points not found by the gradient test. Troubleshooting tip. If d equals 0, use higher-order tests or directional second derivative checks to resolve ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.